Welcome to the Medical Assistant Classroom, where learning meets real-world, hands-on experience. From day one, you're not just listening, you're doing. You'll learn how to take vital signs, work with medical equipment, and communicate like a true healthcare professional. Our instructors bring years of field experience. They walk you step by step through every skill, answering questions, building your confidence, and pushing you to grow. Whether it's injections, EKGs, lab work, or patient intake, you'll practice each procedure until it feels second nature. This is where classroom learning becomes real. You'll work in teams, problem solve together, and learn the why behind every task. It's fast-paced, supportive, and full of moments where everything finally clicks. And the best part? You're surrounded by people who want the same future you do. Your classmates become your support system, and your instructors become your mentors. This is where your path in healthcare begins. This is the Medical Assistant Classroom.